2018 Volkswagen Atlas Review. The all-new 2018 Volkswagen Atlas is VW's first three-row SUV and the largest vehicle it sells. In the crowded midsize SUV class, the Atlas is a top contender, with generous passenger and cargo space and a long list of standard and available features. The brand new 2018 Volkswagen Atlas is a well-rounded performer, with comfortable handling and a capable engine. However, you notice that the acceleration struggles at times when passing on the highway. The Atlas may be big, but it doesn't drive like it, and the available all-wheel drive keeps you planted to the road in bad weather. The 2018 Volkswagen Atlas comes standard with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 235 horsepower. A 3.6-liter V6 engine that makes 276 horsepower is optional. The 8-speed automatic transmission has smooth shifts, and the V6 is fine for most driving situations. However, the Atlas is a heavy SUV, and the engine sometimes struggles under its weight. Four-cylinder Atlas models get better gas mileage than many competitors, earning an estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. V6 models get up to 1,825 miles per gallon city highway, which is in line with what many rivals earn. Front-wheel drive is standard and Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system with 4 driving modes dry, rainy, snowy, and rough is available. The SUV handles extremely well in all driving conditions. Despite its rather large size, it moves like a smaller vehicle, and there is little body lean in corners. Additionally, it remains smooth over broken pavement. The 2018 Volkswagen Atlas interior has soft-touch materials but isn't completely free of hard plastics. However, there are wood-like accents that dress up the Atlas' minimalistic design. The seats are comfortable and spacious all around, and the infotainment system is easy to use. The 2018 Volkswagen Atlas seats 7 on cloth upholstery. Standard features include 6,040 split-folding second-row seats and 5,050 split-folding third-row seats. Available features include heated and ventilated front seats, leatherette and leather upholstery, a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, an 8-way power-adjustable passenger seat, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, driver's seat memory settings, heated rear seats, and a heated steering wheel. There is plenty of head and legroom no matter where you sit in the Atlas, and the third-row seats are comfortable, even for adults. The second-row seats slide backward and forward to increase legroom and allow for easy access to the third row. The seats also tilt forward, even when a car seat is installed. Additionally, all seats are supportive and comfortable. Up to 3 car seats can fit in the second row of the Atlas, and 2 can fit in the rear seat. The Atlas latch systems have not yet been evaluated by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety for their ease of use. Standard features include Bluetooth, automatic post-collision braking, a rear-view camera, a USB port, satellite radio, a 6-speaker sound system, a 6.5-inch touchscreen, and Volkswagen's CarNet app connect with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and MirrorLink. Available features include keyless entry, push-button start, a panoramic sunroof, an 8-inch touchscreen, 4 USB ports, an 8-speaker sound system, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, Trism climate control, a remote power liftgate, adaptive cruise control, remote start, forward collision monitoring with automatic braking, lane departure warning, front and rear park assist, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, Volkswagen's digital cockpit, LED taillights, automatic high beams, park assist, a 360-degree camera, A Fender premium audio system with 12 speakers, and navigation with traffic and weather updates.